It's Thomas the TNP Timothy Productions, and today we're back with another video. Today we're doing a tutorial of how to make your own custom take and play Timothy. So here are the materials you need to make Timothy. You need some paint, silver, and metallic black in case you need to fix some stuff. A screwdriver. Duct tape is also optional if you want, but I don't have it with me right here. And some Sharpies. You need a silver Sharpie, a black fine Sharpie, a red fine Sharpie, and a yellow Sharpie. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. So what you have to do first is you have to get your paint and stuff, and you have to take this Timothy apart. Well, they can't do that, but you just have to take him apart. And then if you want, you can put tape everywhere if it feels it. And so, if you can use a paintbrush, that would be good too. You can use the paintbrush don't forget to shake the paint and open up the silver paint container and paint Timothy all around here. And don't forget, if you want, there's white. This front white plate on Timothy, that could be optional. I just did that to make it better. It looks good, right? And don't forget, if after it's done, you have to wait a few hours until it's dry. Later, you're moving on to the black paint. And if you didn't use tape on some certain spots, like the roof, this is actually metallic paint. And so you can use it and use a different type of paintbrush to paint on here. And then once it's all done, screw them back in. And then don't forget, you need to take your silver Sharpie and paint the wheels. Since my wheels are almost out, I'll show you what to do. So you can use paint if you feel like it too. So get these wheels done, and same thing goes for the other side too. This may be hard to say, but it's okay. So yeah, once you're done with that, close up your Sharpie, and yeah, you need to use the black one to do Timothy's wrinkles and stuff. So here you've got the mouth done, but my eyebrows wear off, so I'm going to make sure they're done. Do this very carefully. Sorry you guys didn't see that. Sorry you guys might not see it. That's okay. There you go. Got Timothy, and I think that's all I have to do right now. And so next, take your red and fine red and yellow Sharpie. You need to make the stripes on top and on each side. If you want, you can do it on the back too, but I didn't because I didn't feel like it. So basically make your custom Timothy. And don't forget, there's a video I made about a custom showcase about Timothy. So if you guys want to see that, there's a card on like the top, like right there. Or you can click on it at the end of the video. And, well, bye.